We are pleased to show you the 2016 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, steel wheels, LED headlights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.